Hey guys, today I got the smallest shoe in the world, and I'm going to try putting the laces on it and try fitting one of my toes in it. Alright, let's have a look. Have a look at this. Shoe, very good pair. All star. Then we got some shoelace, which will perfectly fit inside. And then we put the lace in, but this is actually going to take for ages.
Let's just talk to.
And so
Yeah, you find that way.
all we got to do is one loop. Try not to push it through like I just did. Well, actually, I'm going to start from the bottom. Bottom makes it perfect. So just go through once. So I'm technically going to show you how to do your shoelace, how to tie a shoelace too, how to get your new shoes.
Where does it?
Shoelaces in. They're in my box. Okay, now I've got one in. Now we're going to start going the other way, like one is going to go that way. Two, it's going to go like, as you could see, that way. Three, second last one. Three, the second last one on the other lace. Next, the last one. Just pop it in there. There we go. And all completed. Now we're actually going to try to tie this lace. Loop. Loop. So I'm not that good at shoelaces. I don't know how to do it. So I'm just gonna try to tie all the laces together. There. Pull it, make it a bit tighter. Put it in there. Sling. Rope. And just do a knot. So make sure it doesn't come off. And there's the mini shoe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and you'll be the first person to see all the videos. Ring the bell, subscribe.